At this point, you probably don't need my help anymore, but just in case, I'm going to demonstrate how to draw number 5. So let's zoom out, push the drawing over. So now we have 2, and we're getting ready to do the third one, but number 5, since we're only doing the odd numbers. So let's start with the line tool, and we see that first corner is 0.25. Okay, make sure I see a green line so I know that I'm on that 30-degree angle. And I don't think we have a dimension on this one, so let's just guess, I guess. So let's make it 1.25. Come down 0.25, come back, and join where we started. So now we have our side. We do have the measurement on the width, so let's draw that at 2 as shown. Make sure we stay on that green line at 2, enter. Go straight up, make sure you see the green line again, 0.25, enter. Come back to where we started there and hit escape. All right, so now let's draw some of the top face. Start with a line again, start at this corner, keep it on the green to make sure we're at a 30-degree angle, and that is 0.5. And then I'm going to come this way, and I think that might be 0.75. It doesn't give us all the dimensions, we're going to guess. And this way we do have a dimension, that's 1. And 0.75 would take us all the way back, which is more than we need, but I'm going to put that in for now. And now I'm going to finish off this corner. I'm going to start here, make sure I have it on that proper angle. And I'm not even going to measure it, because what I'm going to do is draw this line at this angle, make sure I've got it on green, and click. Then I'm going to modify, click the trim tool, and do this and this. Okay, so now I need to think about that vertical plane that's on the inside. So I am going to start with a line, start at this point, and go up 0.5. Make sure it's staying green. Bring it forward, make sure it's green again so it's on that proper angle, 0.25. And come straight down. And once more, I can make sure it's on the green line, but since I know that that's 0.5 high, if I hit 0.5, it will stop exactly on the line. All right, now for the top, I see that is 1 wide, so click here at the top. Make sure I've got the green line. See, it just clicks. You don't have to try very hard. Hit 1, enter. Come this way, make sure it's green, 0.25. And back where I started. Okay, so I know that this is 0.25 high and this is 0.5 high. So that means that this line here, which is going to go all the way down to the ground, is going to be 0.75. And then I'm going to come in this direction, make sure it's green, because I don't know how much I'm actually seeing. I know how wide it is, but I'm not going to see all of it. So now I'm going to go to Modify, Trim, trim this, this, this. And now it can also trim up here because, see, I'm not going to see those parts because they will be hidden by the solid part here. One more line to draw and I am done. So go back to Draw, Line, start here. Once more, keep it at that green, the green line showing, and I am just going to click out here because that's easier to see it green. And then I'll go to Modify, Trim, and then just trim that away, everything that I don't need. Okay, we have finished number 5.